For years, Dr. Ron Mueller has made it his passion to research the hidden tax advantages available to home-based businesses. And in that time, he has become America's leading home business tax expert. He's found the secrets to increasing your tax refund by thousands of dollars every year.
A home business owner can have a home office anywhere they live.
We caught up with Dr. Mueller on his boat called Home Office in San Diego.
For the average American worker that has a part-time home-based business, if they understood just the 5 biggest tax breaks, just those 5 alone, they'd be able to put between $3,500 and $5,000 extra cash in their pockets from additional tax refunds. This is above and beyond whatever refund they might have gotten before. On top of that, so we're talking about another $4,000 or $5,000. That's what these tax breaks are worth. Congress passed a lot of tax breaks for home-based business owners, right? But if you don't know what they are, it hasn't done you any good. The more you know about those tax deductions, the less you'll owe. You cannot take advantage of a tax deduction you don't understand, and you can't take advantage of a tax deduction for which you don't keep proper records. So if you understand it and keep the right records, which is a very easy process, then you take advantage of the tax deductions. Then you owe less money. Here's an example. If you earn $1 million and you don't have your taxes under control, you know what you are? You're half a millionaire. So it's how much you keep that counts, not how much you make. And you can keep a larger portion of what you make if you really understand taxes and take advantage of the tax breaks that are legal and ethical. So when do these tax breaks apply? When can a home-based business owner start using them? The very day they get into a home-based business. They need to meet only 2 requirements: work their business at least 3 to 4 hours a week, every week, and the tax law requires you to have an intent to produce a profit. As long as you can show you're working on becoming profitable, that's all it takes. You do not need to make a profit in any particular year or even any particular number of years. The wide perception, actually it's been a pretty accurate perception until now, has been that record keeping is tedious, time-consuming, and boring. This software takes all that out of it. With this software, you can keep proper, bulletproof, IRS-compliant records in less time than it takes you to brush your teeth in the morning. I think there are 2 major benefits. One of them is that you totally have eliminated, by using this software, the agony that comes with getting ready to do your taxes at the end of the year. There's no pawing through shoeboxes and flipping through file folders to find records. It's all there. It's already been kept for you because you've been keeping records in small amounts of time every day throughout the year. That's a major help. Last year, the American Taxpayer Society found that the average taxpayer spent 24.5 hours just gathering their records together to begin preparing their taxes. With this software, they're going to push a button and their reports spit out all the data they need to fill their tax deductions. The second thing is that you can claim every tax deduction you qualify for and never have to worry about losing one of those deductions in an audit based on lack of records. The IRS is coming down real hard on the importance of record keeping. If you don't have the right records, even if it appears you qualified for the tax deduction, they still will disallow it because of lack of records. When I open the software to fill in the information, it prompts me to fill in the right information, what the IRS wants. The real value of the software is people who are taking legitimate deductions, all the deductions they legitimately qualify for, now will easily have the records to defend those deductions in the event of an audit. And most people have never had that before. Even keeping records for small deductions, you start watching that number pile up and you start saying, wow, I saved that much money in taxes already and I'm only part of the way through the year. I think that's a very cool feature, and it's one of the big values of that is I think it'll encourage people to keep coming back and keep their tax records every day, and that's the key. We can't change the past, but we can change the future. The time to start keeping excellent tax records is today.
Premium Tax Advantage, the software that saves you time and, most importantly, money. All of Ron's tax-saving information and ongoing education are available with your membership.
I've been searching for an easy-to-use tax savings and tax recording tool of some sort. And when I came across this software, I said, this is it.
Premium Tax Advantage.